In this section of training, we are going to go over the correct pronunciation of the remaining sounds for the sound check. The card numbers are listed on the screen in case you want to have these cards handy to practice along with this video. Feel free to replay this demonstration as many times as necessary, comparing your pronunciation to Teresa's. Once you're comfortable with the pronunciation of the sounds, move on to practice with your own deck. Just a reminder, when you do your sound check, if you block or miscue, your assessor will provide the keyword.
Before we go through all of the remaining sounds that we have on our sound check, I first want to talk about the blends. So with the blends, we want to make sure that we're not adding a schwa in between them. So like with this blend, SM, you wouldn't say some, it would be sm. PL, it's not pull, it's pl. BL is not bull, it's bl. So we're really careful about not adding that schwa in between them. And same with our other R blends, dr. It's not der, we want it to be dr. And then TR, it's not ter, it's tr. So those are our blends. And I'm going to go ahead now for Therese. Therese is my student today, and we're going to go through the sounds. I'm going to tap, and then she's going to say them. You ready, Therese?
I am. Sm, sw, pl, bl, dr, tr, l.
And we want to, this is at the after a vowel, so it would be
O.
Good. And do you know what the rule is?
At the end of a one-syllable word, after one short vowel, ul is spelled LL.
Good, and that's the same for this. And I'm not going to ask you for the rest right now. We'll just work on the sound.
Z, k, ch, j.
All right, these are short vowel exceptions.
Eind, old, ild, ost, olt, ol.
Very nice.
Ang, ing, ong, ung. Ank, ink, onk, unk.
Good, and our last are magic E.
A, E, I, O, U, U, I.
Very nice. And those are the cards, the remaining cards, and the pronunciation of them.
This concludes the pronunciation of remaining sounds.